So the takeaways from this example is that I played the game with taking an input via A2L ASCII string too long with O2 optimization because I saw that at O0 optimization, GCC really liked to create those branch if greater than or equal with unsigned rather than branch if less than with unsigned. So basically this was just a game to trick GCC in some sense into generating exactly what I wanted. The other thing that's a little bit interesting and weird about this code is that it put the return 3 case after the ret. So it didn't like put it in line or anything. It said, okay, there's going to be something like branch if less than unsigned. If that's true, then jump down here to main plus 40, load the 3 into A0, our return register, and then jump backwards to main plus 34 and exit out of the function. So that was kind of interesting. I don't know why it did it that way, but I found that to be a little bit interesting. Picked up a new assembly instruction, branch if less than, and branch if less than unsigned. Here we go, filling things in, looking good, looking pretty full, but I could stand to learn a few more branch instructions, couldn't you?